For 50 years, this garage held a secret, a treasure lost to time. But some things refused to be forgotten. Inside, a letter. Not just about a car, but a promise. A man called it his greatest dream, a symbol of a life he was building before it all vanished. Bringing a dream back is never easy. The decay was worse than we imagined. Every piece a battle against time. Some said it was impossible, but a dream is worth fighting for. We stripped it to its soul, forging, shaping, rebuilding. Every spark, a heartbeat returning. The engine, silent for decades, was meticulously reborn. The interior, crafted from the finest leather, and then the color. Not just red, but the color of passion itself. After thousands of hours, the dream was ready. More than just a car. It was a masterpiece, reborn, the final test. The moment a soul returns to the machine. This isn't just an engine starting. It's the sound of a promise fulfilled, a dream finally roaring back to life. Subscribe and join us on the next journey.